Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video I will show you how to download and install HP Laserjet M211dw printer driver. First of all, I will go to a browser and write here the printer name, select it and click the first link, scroll down, click the download. After completing download, I will go to folder, double click, yes, accept all options, continue. Here you see the printer model, select any one option which you have. I will select USB and continue. Allow all. Here you select any one, full software and driver or HP Smart. I will select HP Smart. This is recommended. Continue. Okay, I will go control panel, printer and device, and this is the printer model. Right click upon here and get default. I will go Word file, go to file and select both side print and print. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.